Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you see, markets just cannot trend again. Bank Nifty also, if you see, opened with a, you can say, slight gap up. Actually not even a gap up, it was basically a flat opening and then throughout the day creating volatility, moving up and down. Bank Nifty also cannot move. Nifty on the other hand was a bit more bullish but still with a lot of volatility, so your stop loss would have gotten out and then Nifty would have moved up. So can't really do anything about it, but today we are going to talk about if the markets can move up tomorrow or on Monday, because tomorrow is the final day and today Nifty's expiry finally happened. Now one thing that you need to understand is that whenever there is monthly expiry, right, a lot of option short positions, okay, which like sort of keep the market in a single place. When there are a lot of option sellers in the market kind of stays stuck in a range, right? And that is what is happening with Bank Nifty also, that a lot of option sellers were in the market, right? So now since both of these guys' monthly expiry is finally done, chances are that we might finally see a momentum coming in both of them tomorrow. Okay, so how will we do it is going to be very simple. Now if you see over here, mostly the volatility in Nifty was because of Reliance, because Reliance had its AGM from 2 p.m. today, annual general meeting. And if you see Reliance also moving up and down a lot, but the funny thing was when Reliance did this 2% move, Nifty didn't move at all. Nifty didn't move up at all. And when Reliance wasn't supporting, that is when Nifty continued to move, that is when Nifty started to move. So this was a very bizarre thing, because Reliance can move left Nifty a lot. And so when Reliance was moving up, why was Nifty not moving up at all? And this was the time when the buying in Reliance started. And if you see, Nifty didn't move at all. And I also did buy a call option of 25,200. I had to square it off with a very small loss, because I was expecting that if Reliance is moving up, that would be a very good thing, right? And that definitely I could get a very good profit. But if you see, didn't move at all. I bought my premium at 20 rupees. I had to square it off somewhere near 16 rupees. Can't do anything. 4 rupees loss, not a big deal at all. Okay, but still, not a great day for me too also, because I also did take a put short position over here, and the market was moving in my favor and I was seeing a good profit over here. But in the end, again, I had to square off my position when the market came down, with basically a cost to cost square off, because again, I cannot take my positions home. I cannot hold my positions if the market is going against me. So I did, trail my stop loss after this point over here, and then I let the market run. But again, the markets came down, cannot do anything. But yes, if we see Bank Nifty again taking support from this trend line, basically this trend line is the trend line from where Bank Nifty has broken out, and Bank Nifty is now again taking support from that trend line. So what you guys can do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now since the monthly expiry is done, right, and there are not a lot of fresh positions in the market, what can happen tomorrow is we can see a big move either on the upside or on the downside. The chances of that happening are very high. Right now I don't have the FNO data because it is not out from the NSE site, or else I would have shown you guys in the FNO data also. But as of now, no FNO data. But what you have to understand is that when there is the monthly expiry happening, when the monthly expiry is done, which was today's Nifty expiry, that means a lot of positions in the market are going to expire, right? So that means the number of positions in the market will come down. So on Friday, when people will come to make a new position in the market, that is when we will see a very good move either on the upside or on the downside. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be a very crucial day. Are we going to close on the upside or on the downside? This is going to be a very, very important question, because tomorrow's day will decide the trend for upside or on the downside. Why am I saying so? Is because if the new positions are being made, fresh positions that will be made tomorrow will decide where the big people want to take the market in the coming month. Okay, or at least in the first few days of the coming month, right? After that, maybe the positions might change, right? So tomorrow on the upside, Bank Nifty should close above 51,400 if it is really bullish, and if it is a genuine breakout, tomorrow itself market should go up and close above 50 and 400 at least, and in a very strong way. Not like going up till 50 and 600 over here, then coming back down and closing at 50 and 400. No, the closing should be pretty bullish tomorrow on the upside in Bank Nifty, and on the downside also, if the market is going down, market should close near 50,800 at least. It is preferably better if the markets close below this zone itself, okay? But yes, any sort of tomorrow we should get a day low or a day high closing in Bank Nifty. If not, then we will again be stuck in this range most probably for some more while, and then we might see a momentum on the upside or on the downside. But keep this in mind, the pressure cooker is building in Bank Nifty also. If we see consolidation, then a bit of an up move, then again consolidation, the consolidation is very brutal. And so chances are that in the coming few days, mostly in the next week itself, or tomorrow or the next week itself, we will see a very good move on the upside. So we will take our chances in the market, and right now is the time where it is good to take chances where exactly the market is going to move. Now for Nifty, if you see, Nifty has been trending continuously on the upside. After this fall over here, Nifty has been trending continuously. So there are not a lot of positions that will be made in Nifty, because positions have already been made in this up move. So in any pullback, we will definitely take a buying position, but you need to keep in mind that tomorrow, or the move that will come in Nifty or Bank Nifty, the move that will come will be much more stronger in Bank Nifty now, because positions have not been made in Bank Nifty, or a lot of people are on the sidelines over here. When the new money comes in, a lot of people who, let's say, have their call shorts over here or put shorts below here, they will need to exit their positions, which will mean that either we'll see a very big short covering or long unwinding also, or we can see a very fresh money coming into Bank Nifty, not on the either on the long side or on the downside also in futures and options. I'm not talking about fresh money coming into cash, okay? That is something different. I'm talking about fresh money coming into futures and options, that is new positions being made. So we will focus on Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So not tomorrow, but in the coming days, we will definitely focus on Bank Nifty. But if we want to sell, we will not sell Nifty as of now until unless we get a confirmation. It is much better to sell Bank Nifty over here, okay? So the major level for Bank Nifty is this zone that you see over here. If the markets come down till the zone and you see that markets are again making some sort of a positive price action, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Until unless we do not close below this zone, please do not assume that Bank Nifty is going to be very weak, okay? Please do not do that. Wait for a closing below this zone, only then go pretty bearish on the market, okay? But since the market has taken support from this trend line multiple times, it should continue to move up tomorrow itself from here, okay? So what you guys can do tomorrow is going to be very simple. Tomorrow after opening, if we see some sort of a positive price action like this, right above this candle, right, any sort of positive price action, higher high being made, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade above the swing that is made. Let's say the markets open, they go up till over here, give a pullback, and then when they're breaking this swing, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. And tomorrow we can keep very big targets on the upside, because market should move pretty fast from here and not take a lot of time. It is okay if we hit our stop loss, but we will definitely take our chances tomorrow, because the market should now not take a lot of time to move, okay? So if you still want to book a little bit of profit, you can think about booking some profit near 50 and 400. But if we break 50 and 400 and sustain above it, chances are we can easily see 51,800 on the upside tomorrow itself, okay? So tomorrow can be the day where Bank Nifty can really shine on the upside and on the downside also. On the downside, where will we go ahead and take a position is very simple, below 51,000, okay? This is a very obvious support zone, but since this, actually just give me a second, I could not make the rectangle. Yes, this is a very obvious support zone in Bank Nifty, right? But since this is very obvious, it will not be broken in one go, okay? Until unless we open with a gap down, it will not be broken in one go. What will happen in the market is two things over here, right? Either the market will come down, break this zone, go up. When it is giving a pullback, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position as soon as we see any sort of good rejection from the zone. Or if the markets go up and then again are coming back down, right, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position below this level, okay? That will be our plan for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. That can happen. Or one more thing that can happen is that markets might go down below this zone. If the markets again come back up above the zone and they start to make positive price action. Take that as a very bullish scene, and then also you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from there itself, because again the markets can continue to move up from there also. So keep that in mind for tomorrow. This zone is going to be very important. 51,000 is the very important level for tomorrow. Below 51,000 weakness will pursue, and weakness will come very good mostly tomorrow. Weakness should come very good tomorrow, but still keep this in mind. This is the ultimate level. 51,000 is not the ultimate level. 50,800 to 700, this zone is the ultimate level. But still, as I said, if you want to take a short position below this level, will be a very good trade. And also keep in mind that the markets then should move down very fast from here, because if this is a breakout failure, the sellers will try to take the market down very fast from here, and they will not wait a lot of time. Okay, they will not wait for a lot of time. If you open with a gap up somewhere near 50,300, 400, all these levels, we'll wait for one pullback in the market again down till 50,000, 200, and then that is where over here any sort of rejection that you see from the downside or any sort of positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade again from here. First target will be 50 and 400, which will be small, but then you can easily keep a target of 51,800 on the upside. However, let's say if the markets open with a gap up and then move straight up, that is when we will wait for a pullback till 51,400, this zone itself, right? If the markets open near the zone and break this zone at the opening itself, that is when we'll wait for one pullback like this, and then we will go ahead and take a bullish trade in the market. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what is the plan for Bank Nifty. Now let's move on to Nifty, because Nifty is also in a bit of a, you can say, interesting position to say the least. Okay, now Nifty, if we see, this trend line is the trend line that is coming on the upside for Nifty. Okay, so will this trend line be broken in one go like this? Chances are not really. Okay, so what we will do is very simple. 25,080 is the level that you need to watch out for. If Nifty comes near 25,080, you can again go ahead and take a bullish trade over there itself. Or one thing that can happen tomorrow is that markets can actually break this trend line very fast from here itself, right? I said that, it is pretty, the chances are less, but the way Nifty has given this buying, right, chances are Nifty might break this trend line and continue to move up tomorrow itself. So the major level that we need to look out for is this trend line and 25,200. Basically both are at the same level right now, so 25,200. If Nifty continues to sustain about 25,200 and starts to make positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Nifty can also continue to move very easily from here, and you can easily see a target of 25,400 on the upside also for tomorrow. Okay, so at lower levels, if you get Nifty, very good area 25,080, where you can go ahead and take a bullish trade, right? If you do not get Nifty in a dip, you can still think about taking a bullish trade about 25,200, but keep this in mind that Nifty should continue to move very fast from here. If you're seeing that market is again and again taking rejection as it is going higher, then it is better to either decrease your position a little bit, that is reduce quantity, or tighten your stop loss. Okay, keep this in mind for tomorrow. If you open with a very big gap down, like let's say 25,000, 40, 50, any of these levels over here, what we need is a confirmation below 25,000. Until and unless Nifty properly sustains below 25,000, we will not go ahead and take a sell. Once Nifty sustains below 25,000 for let's say 10 to 15 minutes, and then it is starting to make negative price action, that is when we guys will go ahead and take a short trade, and that trade can work very well over here also. And Nifty can easily give you this 800 points of move till somewhere near 24,820 to 750 on the downside or 760 on the downside. This move can come very fast over here, because a lot of people who would have taken long positions over here, they will get trapped if Nifty opens with such a big gap down. So if Nifty doesn't recover very fast from here, these guys will start to exit their positions and they will take the market down very fast from here. So yeah guys, that was it for tomorrow, and I hope you guys understood how markets can move either on the upside or on the downside for tomorrow. The place at which Bank Nifty has closed, this is a bit of a crucial place. So any sort of momentum that comes in the next, you can say, basically the next 2 to 3 trading sessions will be very important for our markets and for Bank Nifty also. So definitely keep this in mind and do watch the video every day, so you guys can get an understanding of what exactly is happening in the market every day. But yeah, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.